Lord of Drum's hunting gain on the morning early. Oh, when he has spied a Wilford maid, a shearing of feathers barley. Now my bonny maid, my Wilford maid, will ye come with me, oh, will ye come and be Lady Drum, and leave your shearing a be, oh, I canna gang with you, kind sir, and leave me shearing a be, oh, for I'm our loads be Lady Drum, your mistress is scorned to be, oh. My father's but a shepherd, mean keeping sheep in yonder hill, oh, and ye man gang and spear at him, I'm entirely at his will, oh. So Drum must stay her father again, keeping sheep in yonder hill, oh. I've come to marry your Adolpha, can ye gie your good will, oh. Oh, the lassie canna read nor write, was she bred at the scale, oh. Oh, but she can work without tending, for a learned young lassie myself, oh. She'll work at your barn and at your byre, she'll brew your malt and your ale, oh. Oh, she'll saddle your steed in times o' need, draw off your boots herself, oh. Now I'll learn the lassie to read and write, I'll put her to the scale, oh. She'll never need to saddle my steed, nor draw off my boots herself, oh. It's up and spake his brother John, you've done us muckle wrong, oh. You've married a wife of low degree, she's a mock to our ken, oh. Now Peggy Coots is a bonny bride, Drum is big and gossy, oh, ye makes ye chosen a higher match than just some shepherd's lassie. It's up and spake the Laird of Drum, says I've been ye nae wrang, oh. I've married a wife to work and win, and ye married in to spend, oh. Now the first time that I took a wife, she was far up in my degree, oh. I durstna gang into the room for she lay, with my hand below my knee, oh. Fin I had eaten and drunk and weel, they were bound for bed, oh. Oh, the Laird o' Drum and his lady fair, and nae bed they were laid, oh. If ye had been no high renown as ye a low degree, oh, we might take it down to the Yetta Drum amongst good company, oh. Oh, I tell't you, Wilf, and we were wad, you were far up in my degree, oh. But now we're married and a bed laid, I'm just as great as ye, oh. When you were deed and I indeed were both in the grave laid, oh. For 7 years of rantiness, you'll know, can you just be mine,